Good morning, students. Now I am going to take exercise 12.2. In exercise 12.2, I will use all these three formulas which I gave you in introduction part of Heron's formula. Means one is Heron's formula, second is half into base into altitude, and the third is equilateral triangle. It is a combination of that. According to the question, we will decide which formula we have to use. Now come to question number 1. According to question number 1, it is written here, a path is in the shape of a quadrilateral ABCD. I made a quadrilateral ABCD where angle C is 90 degree. Means BC and CD both are standing at 90 degree. So this is 90 degree. And also it is given to you, AB is equal to 9 meter, BC is equal to 12 meter, CD is equal to 5 meter and AD is equal to 8 meter. After that, it is said to you how much area did it occupy. You know very well, we cannot use any formula in the form of a quadrilateral. Okay, so what we will do, we will divide the whole quadrilateral into triangles and we will try to find out the area of both the triangles, and at the end we will join it. For that, what you will do, you know very well, BC and CD both are standing at 90 degree. So you have to draw an altitude. You have to join BD. Now you can see that BCD is one of the triangle, that is a right angle triangle. And for right angle triangle, we can use first formula, means half into base into height. And for second triangle is ABD. For ABD, 9 and 8 is given to you. And you can find out the value of BD also. So then you have to use Heron's formula. Now see how we will do. First I will start my solution by finding BD. How you will find out BD? Triangle BCD. Which kind of triangle it is? It is a right angle triangle. So you can use Pythagoras theorem. So we will write down, in triangle BCD, BD square means hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square means BC square plus base square CD square. Now substitute the values. It is 12 square. It is 5 square. 5 square is 25 and 12 square is 144. So 144 plus 25 is equal to 169. But you don't have to find out BD square, you have to find BD. For that, you have to calculate the square root. BD is equal to square root of 169. And the square root of 169, you know very well, it is a square of 13. If you are unable to do, what you can use any method, prime factorization or division method if you don't know. If you know, you can write it down directly. 13 square is 169. So under root 169 is equal to 13 meter. Now we get all the sides for triangle ABD. First, we will find out the area of BCD. The symbol we will use for area is AR. In the bracket, BCD is equal to half. Base means what? CD. And altitude means BC. Now substitute the value, is equal to half into 12 into 5. 5 6 is equal to 30 meter square. So this way you got the area of this triangle. Now you have to find out the area of this triangle. You know very well, AB you know, AD you know, and BD you got it from here. So you have to use Heron's formula. So you have to write it down. First, for triangle ABD, what you will do? S. S means semi-perimeter in Heron's formula is equal to 9 plus 8 plus 13. 9 plus 8 plus 13 divided by 2 is equal to 30 upon 2 is equal to 15. I can show you the calculation how I did. 8 plus 8, 9. 9, so 8 2 is 16 plus 1, 17. 17 plus 3, 20. 2 carry, 2 plus 1, 3. 30 upon 15. So S is equal to 15. Now you have to use the Heron's formula. For that, I have to use the same symbol. Area of ABD is equal to under root S minus A into S minus B into S minus C is equal to under root 15 into 15 minus 9 into 15 minus 8 into 15 minus 13. Now again it is under root 15 into 15 minus 9, 6 into 15 minus 8, 7 into 15 minus 3, 2. Now you got this. Now you have to do how you will find out. 15 means 3 into 5. 6 means 3 into 2. Still something is remaining. So we will do here. 3 into 5. 6 means 2 into 3. 7 is already prime and 2 is here. Now how many numbers will come out? You can see that 3 का pair है, so 3 will come out. 2 का pair है, 2 will come out. And under root में what is left? 5 into 7, 35 is left. Means 6 under root 35 meters square. So this way you have to calculate the area of ABD. Here you can do one thing also. You can try to find out the square root of 35 by division method. That will come in decimal. Otherwise, you can put it directly also. Now, for final answer, I am rubbing the whole thing. Only this I am rubbing. For that, you have to write therefore, area of ABCD is equal to area of BCD plus area of ABD. Now substitute the value. It will come 30 and here it will come 6 root 35. This is the answer. So this way you have to solve any of the sum.